What's up guys, here's Calorie from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add a calculator of calories into your WordPress website and generate more leads, okay? All for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard to access dashboard on your browser address bar, your domain plus WP admin. Enter with login credentials, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and hit the submenu Add Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, you're going to be able to find a field called Search Plugins. Click and type WP Calorie Calculator. Here is the guide that we're looking for. Click on Install Now. Then click into the Activate button. And all you have to do is go to the plugin settings. To find plugin settings, review the left sidebar of menus on the WordPress dashboard. You're gonna be able to find a new menu called Calorie Calculator. Click on it, and right here you can see basically all the settings of the plugin. The most important part for us is copy this shortcode right here. But we have some settings to play with. You can send email or have instant view, up to you. If you choose the option to send email, you're gonna collect the emails of the persons who try to use your calculator. So it's a very good option. Main calculator title, up to you, okay? But you can hide or show. And you can show or hide credits. Save changes. Just remember, if you choose to send emails, the users must register to the email to find the calculation, okay? Calculator, we have imperial or metric option by default, okay? We have some color styles in the case that I want to play with. And extra options for pro users. Now, copy the shortcode, go to one of your pages or create a new page. Just click into the plus button, search for shortcode block, and hit the button calc, okay? So all I have to do is paste the shortcode you just have copied. Publish this page, or preview it, and let's see the results we got. And here is my calorie calculator, okay? So let's choose metric, male, the goal, you can choose the activity level and target calorie intake per day. If I change the option for using the email, let me show you. To see the result, you need to enter with the email. This can be a great option for you to collect more leads and grow your mailing list. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!